Welcome to the complete course on e-commerce WordPress website. If you haven't bought this course yet, then it means you are watching the free preview videos as I mentioned in the promo video. I'm glad that you are watching this video. If you have already bought this course, then this is the first video of this course. I'm happy to have you inside the course. You might already know that this is a pretty long course of around 10 hours, and I know it's not that easy to consume and remember these 10 hours of videos. I designed this course keeping that in mind. It will be as practical as possible except two sections. Don't worry. Once I walk you through the contents of this course in this video, you will feel much relaxed, and trust me, you yourself will become an expert to build your own e-commerce website from scratch. This course was published in November 2015 but has been updated several times in the year 2016 to keep it updated and to cover more within the curriculum. Let's dive into the contents. In section 1, apart from this video, you will see the preview video of the website that you are going to design and build, of course with no codings. In section 2, you will learn to create a working virtual server within your PC and install WordPress in it, because WordPress needs a server environment. There are two ways to install WordPress. One is the manual method, other is using Bitnami. Both are covered in this section. Section 3 covers where you can get free domain and hosting for learning WordPress. Strictly, I advise you not to use free hosting or domain for professional purpose. The reason is explained in section 3 itself. You will also learn to get some brand name suggestions if you are starting your business afresh. Above all, I have also demonstrated to install WordPress in the hosting you have got for free. Section 4 covers where you can buy the domain with some necessary features and where you can buy reliable and fast hosting once you go live on World Wide Web officially. Till now, you are being prepared with the necessary ingredients. We haven't started the core part yet. Only in section 5, you are introduced to WordPress. Here, you will learn to use the WordPress dashboard and some mostly used side panel items. In section 6, you will learn the A to Z of WordPress settings. As said in the beginning, these two sections should have been theory sections, but I made it as practical as possible, not to keep you boring. But still, I advise you to take notes while going through section 5 and 6, because it will come handy later when you revise after 6 months or an year after finishing the course, or while you build your own e-commerce website. In section 7, we enter in the core part of e-commerce. Here, you will learn to add the e-commerce feature into your WordPress website using a plugin called Woocommerce. Here, I will walk you through the entire process of finding that plugin, installing it, and configuring too. Never feel intimidated. You're in good hands. At any point of the course, if you feel any difficulties, you can raise a question in the course question answer board, and I'm happy to help you. Don't forget, I am a lightning badge holding instructor. You will get fast responses. Sometimes your questions could have already been answered, so try searching our question answer board for a second before raising your questions. It will save the time for both of us. Coming to section 8. Here you will learn to add different types of products into your e-commerce website, such as a simple product, a grouped or a virtual product, an affiliate or external product, a variable product with multiple options, such as a t-shirt with different sizes, and finally to add product categories, tags, and attributes. In section 9, you will learn to install a third-party e-commerce WordPress theme, design and upload a header logo with a background image, and also to install and customize another official e-commerce theme from Woocommerce. Though you have learned to add products in section 8, only in section 10 you will learn to add a variable product and a simple product with all the features that you can play around with. You will also learn to add products fastly, that is, to duplicate a product that you have already added. You will also learn to bulk regenerate thumbnails and quick edit product categories, product tags, and product attributes. So simply, in section 10, you are learning to do everything fastly and in bulk of what you have learned in section 8, which is essential when your website grows big. Section 11 covers the customization of your e-commerce website. You will learn to customize menus, create blog page, gallery page, a promotional post, and finally to install and customize another official theme from Woocommerce. In section 12, you will learn A to Z of WooCommerce settings. Here also, I recommend you to take notes for this section. In section 13, you will learn to find, install, and configure 3 plugins to import products from Amazon and to sell those products from your own site. Don't worry, the orders are placed from your website, but Amazon will ship it because the orders are simultaneously placed in Amazon too, and you will receive your Amazon affiliate commissions. You can track those sales that are sent from your website to Amazon. In section 14, you will learn to add PayPal payment gateway to your e-commerce website. Here, we will also be testing the gateway using payment from bank balance, credit card, or a debit card. In section 15, you will learn to add Stripe payment gateway and test it by using a debit card, fraudulent cards, and to do automatic refund on order cancellation. In section 16, you will learn to add multi-currency payment support. You can opt to add 2 or more currencies, and also you can add your own custom currency to your website. Okay, you have got all the orders and payments. Now you need to do the order management, right? That's what is dealt in section 17. You will learn to create coupons and manage your orders dashboard. You will learn A to Z of managing orders and refunds. In section 18, you will learn to add advanced review feature into your e-commerce website to make the products you sell on your website more authentic and original. Section 19 helps you to analyze sales reports of your e-commerce website. You will learn to analyze the reports of tags, stock details, customers, and orders. Section 20 helps you to speed up your e-commerce website and introduces you some of the essential plugins that you might not have thought of, such as installing a catch plugin to speed up your website, ad management plugin to insert your product ads in your sidebar, or other places. Protect your website from spam and also some other recommended e-commerce plugins. Section 21 helps you to secure and firewall your e-commerce website. Once you implement the things that you have learned in this section, you will feel safe from any hacking attempts that you have faced or you are going to face. In section 22, you will learn to add pricing tables using 3 different sets of plugins. Section 23 covers any further updates that I wish to add to the course and also the instructions to get the premium grade theme collection once you have completed the course. Let's dive into the course from the next lecture.